Chapter 2, Lesson 2. Do the laundry. Sort out the laundry. Sort out the laundry by color, fabric, by color, fabric. Soak the laundry. Soak the laundry. Pre-soak the laundry. Pre-soak the laundry. Put the laundry in the washing machine. Put the laundry in the washing machine. Add the fabric softener. Add the fabric softener. Hang the laundry up to dry. Hang the laundry up to dry. Put the laundry in the dryer. Put the laundry in the dryer. Tumble dry the laundry. Tumble dry the laundry. Everyone needs to sort out their laundry by color before washing them. Sweaters should not be put in the dryer because they will shrink. Fold the clothes. Fold the clothes. Iron the clothes. Iron the clothes. Organize clothes. Organize clothes. Rearrange one's wardrobe. Rearrange one's wardrobe. Take one's clothes to the cleaners, dry cleaners. Take one's clothes to the cleaners, dry cleaners. Pick up one's clothes from the cleaners. Pick up one's clothes from the cleaners. Peter irons all of his shirts himself on the weekend. I have a habit of rearranging my wardrobe every spring.